The video is playing but you cannot hear anything. Before replacing the speakers, troubleshoot the issue step by step. Ask whether the problem affects every application, if headphones or Bluetooth are connected, and whether it started after a Windows update. Check the volume and mute settings, then confirm Windows is using the correct output device. Audio is sometimes being sent to a monitor, headset, or Bluetooth device instead of the speakers. If the correct device is selected, open the Windows Audio Troubleshooter, then restart the Windows Audio service and test the sound again. Still no audio? Open Device Manager. Check for warnings under Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Then update, reinstall, or roll back the audio driver. Now test the speakers, headphones, system sounds, and an application such as Teams or YouTube. Confirm the audio works before closing the ticket. Remember, no sound does not always mean broken speakers. The most common causes are the wrong playback device, a disabled audio service, Bluetooth redirection, or a corrupted driver. That is how real help desk professionals restore Windows audio step by step. Follow IT step by step for simple IT tips, one step at a time.